Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to Milk Buddy, an application that addresses milk shortages in counties of Wisconsin. Let's dive into why this application matters and how it can revolutionize food distribution networks. Access to milk is a fundamental nutritional necessity, yet families relying on food banks like Feeding America, Eastern Wisconsin, receive insufficient amounts due to logistical challenges. About 90% of the U.S. population does not meet dairy recommendations, with only 65% of young children drinking milk on a given day. By creating visualization, we can display the relationship between Wisconsin's milk production, maximum Wisconsin temperatures, and the distribution operations of FAEW to uncover insights for FAEW food procurement and operations team. We can pinpoint factors influencing milk distribution, such as dairy trends in Wisconsin, Feeding America, Eastern Wisconsin inventory management, and the shortfall of milk required to provide 1 cup per food insecure person daily. This will inform strategies to optimize resource allocation, improve equitable distribution, and minimize milk wastage. To ground our work in existing research, we drew insights from the studies such as Dietary Guideline for Americans by U.S. Department of Agriculture and U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. This source underscored the critical importance of addressing food insecurity through innovative approaches. Now, let's take a moment to visualize the distribution of milk shortages across Wisconsin counties. Here, you can see a colored map generated using R's leaflet package, illustrating the milk shortages in different counties. And this visualization emphasized the urgency of our mission and the potential impact of our visual analytics solution. Another one is the bar chart that illustrate the shortfall level and by month to help user to understand. With this context in mind, let's explore how human-centered design principles guide our methodology and shape the development of our solution. So this application began with a deep dive into human-centered design principles, ensuring that our solution meets the need and expectations of end users. Let's walk through each phase of the design process and how it influenced our approach. Emphasized by conducting in-depth interviews with FAEW team members, employing user journey mapping techniques, and establishing ongoing channels for communications. Defined by predicting and visualizing monthly milk shortages to enhance food distribution efficiency, establishing clear goals and user personas. Ideate by considering feedback from FAEW team members and multiple solutions. Prototype by developed interactive prototypes using tools like Canva, also make our solution to ally with user needs and preferences. So we use A/B testing with FAEW team members and classmates for different feedbacks by integrating human-centered design principles into every stage of our process. We've created a solution that truly puts the needs of our users front and center. But the Canva prototypes, here's a general idea of how the app will look like, which is the layout of the app. And there are 3 tab sets, and on the side panels, there are drop-down wedges and waterfall chart. And for the main panel, it will show a map of Wisconsin, outlined by county, and the details of milk in each county and data set. Now let's transition to our data application and see these principles in action. So this is Milk Buddy, and it's our innovative data application designed to predict and visualize monthly milk shortage in Wisconsin. So the layout features 3 tabs: About, Map, and Data, and each offering unique insights and functionalities. The key functions user can dive into interactive map tab to visualize milk shortages by county, select specific procurement groups, and explore dynamic insights tailored to their needs. Meanwhile, the Data tab offers the in-depth analysis and downloadable data sets for further explorations. Informed by user feedback and empathic insights, Milk Buddy prioritizes clarity, usability, and relevant to users. From intuitive interface designs to customizable visualization options, every feature of Milk Buddy is designed with the user in mind. Now let's switch to the Milk Buddy application and see these features. So here's the app, and on the side there are 3 tabs: About, Map, and Data. For the About, it really just shows what is Milk Buddy for, and also what analysis we use. And I did mention that we use K&N classification model to predict monthly shortfall of milk, and also the key findings such as that K&N model achieved an overall accuracy of approximately 86% on the evaluation set. So that means that the model accurately classified 86% of the instances in the data set. So for the map, the right side, it have input for user to put in specific counties and month, and also the PQR group they prefer. And right here it will be a waterfall chart. So I'll add in more counties. So on the map, their interactive data, it shows red, it will be a shortfall for milk, and green, there is no shortfall for milk. So let's look at January of all those counties. So donated, there's it's like there is a shortfall or the data is null. And let's move on to purchase. So looks like few counties, they have they reached the milk distribution, so they have enough milk, there's no shortfall. That's why it's a green, and all the rest it's still red, so it shows the shortfall. And based on how user changed the PQR group, the color of the map of each county, it can also change as well. And for the waterfall chart, it shows in January how much gallons of, like, how much monthly shortfall, which is in gallons, there is in January, and it just shows like the 2 different things. And for the data, so users can select to show 10 entries, 25, 50, 100. The default would be 25, but we can set it to 10. And it shows the rural, urban, continuum, code, county, month, gallons distributed, QPR group weight, monthly needed, monthly shortfall, and the milk production 2023, and also the max temperature. And user can search by typing in certain county they want to see. So for example, I'm typing in Milwaukee. It will show all Milwaukee data, but I can also change it to like more to show all data. And on the bottom, it has download data panel. So the user, if they prefer any data set they found, they can download it as a CSV file or Excel file. Okay, so that's the app I've been using. We created, and for alternative approaches, the milk body has led to a robust and impactful solution. It's important to also acknowledge the alternative approaches we considered along the way. So first, one of them could be a predictive modeling approach using machine learning algorithms to forecast milk shortages with higher accuracy. But this approach offered the potential for more precise predictions, leveraging advanced algorithm to analyze historical data and identify underlying trends. However, concerns regarding data availability, model complexity, and scalability lead us to prioritize a more accessible and user-friendly solution. And second one would be an augmented reality application providing real-time insights into milk production and distribution channels. So this concept aimed to revolutionize data visualizations by overlaying real-time data onto physical environment. Despite its innovative potential, practical challenges such as hardware requirements, user adoption, and data integration complexity posed a significant barrier to implementation. So, as we conclude our presentation, reflecting on how MilkBuddy and our journey through the design process can pave the way for transformative changes in food insecurity. So there are a few bullet points I want to mention. So immediate impacts: MilkBuddy empowers food procurement teams with actionable insights to mitigate milk shortages and optimize distribution effects. By leveraging visual analytics, FAEW team can make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and enhance food security across Wisconsin. And decision support: visual analytics isn't just generating pretty charts. It's about equipping decision makers with the tools and insights they need to drive meaningful change. So MilkBuddy exemplifies the power of data-driven decision making in addressing complex challenges and driving positive outcomes. And call to action: as we look at the future, let's harness the power of data and technology to create a more resilient and equitable food system for all. And we can leverage visual analytics to unlock new possibilities, support vulnerable communities, and transform the world one data point at a time. Thank you.